So apparently Sergio Perez could be replaced by Yuki Tsunoda, according to Franz Tost. I think Yuki Tsunoda would be the wrong driver to replace him. I think Yuki Tsunoda still is relatively young, and if he would be replacing Sergio Perez now, I think it would ultimately be very bad for his career, because I think he wouldn't be able to cope with the pressure. However, the one person that I can see replacing Sergio Perez is Nico Hulkenberg. I think there will be a deal done between HAAS and Red Bull to do a driver swap. I think that's the most logical driver swap if we are gonna indeed have one, because Nico Hulkenberg has got 183 Grand Prix, Formula 1 Grand Prix under his belt. He's been more than 10 years in the sport, and I think he would be the perfect number 2 for Max Verstappen, and I think he would be able to deliver on the days where Max Verstappen is not able to win a race or get podiums. And also he was in the running to join Red Bull before Sergio Perez won his maiden Grand Prix in Abu Dhabi. And I also believe that Max Verstappen has quoted previously that he would like to see Nico Hulkenberg being his teammate. And as a bonus, they do speak the same language. Anyway, this is just, however, what I can see happening. By no means is that set in stone, so don't accuse me of clickbait or anything. This is just literally what I could see happening. Alright, do leave your thoughts in the comments down below. If you do like my content, then please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and also leave a like to help the algorithm. Okay guys, cheers for all your support. See you later, bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.